Alright, time for the Warden here. You can see they've got a couple of steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. And they have a actual little warning here about lining up the pegs and all. And it's something I mentioned before, these push fits, they could be a little fiddly. Could have some trouble getting them together. You just got to take your time. And they also talk about clipping the stronger points before you, clip the fragile points first before you clip the stronger points. Said that backwards. So, because sometimes when you clip these stronger points, it can twist these weaker points, and they could break off, or actually break the piece. You don't want to have that happen. So, all right, let's take a look here. I'd already clipped off number 2 before I started doing these videos. So 2's off, and now get number 1 off, which is basically his body. Let's see here. Get our clippers. You see those are the flat pieces again, so we'll come up from below, flat side against the model, and bevel side against the sprue. Careful, this is a pretty thick point on his foot here. Gonna have to apply a bit of pressure in there as well. We got him off. Back, just kind of pushes into the square back there. Oop. Yeah, it'll be pinned with the next piece, so just lay him down carefully. And let's see here, next piece is right there. Get 3 and 4 put together. 3 and 4 here. 3 is kind of his spine, and 4 is his arm. The spine will come in in the back. That'll pin those 2 pieces together pretty well, and the arm just connects onto the spine there. And he's got a handle, so we want to make sure we don't clip that handle off. Oh, that's fiddly. You gotta be careful here. You don't want to clip. There's a square part. Oh boy. There we go. These more fragile pieces off. Right there. And here. Real tricky. So that's his arm and his spine. Let's clip these circuitry here. That was just hanging on. And here the top of the spine. One of the parts there, and there's that large post that'll go through the chest piece. There you go. So, they keep falling off. Okay, so let's get that pushed through. That is hard to get through there. There we go. Yeah, it's still a bit fiddly. I'll have to wait. I guess the front chest piece will connect in there. And then the arm, that little piton there, is going to go right in there. Push that in. There we go. Lay him down. And then we can see, wow, that's a real problem there, but we can see he's looking good. in the back. Looking good there. Those cords will wrap around his leg, it looks like. There we go. Step 3 is his big gun. Number 6. Let's see here. Just clipped off the blade there, and the arm comes in from the back. And there we go. Comes right out. That slides in very similar to the other arm. I hope we have enough space to put that chest piece in. Like it will also slot into the gun. There we go. And the last piece, 5 and 7. So his head here and head and his chest. Come in from there. Make sure you get real close up to the piece itself to minimize what's left. The head. These guys, I always like to pinch the head with my other hand because, you know, these things can fly off and go bouncing around everywhere. And we see that there's nothing left on the sprue. Oops. Nothing left on the sprue, so that goes into the pile. Where's the pile? There's the pile. Alright, as he fell out again. There we go. Okay, boy, this chest piece has got to do quite a few things here. That's gonna be fun. Alright, there we go. Perfect. And the head.